is a real car show, boy.
Turn off the trouble and turn off the lights. You went up and left me and it just ain't right. That's all I know. Can't let it go. Around every corner, something that I see. She don't even want to talk to me. It's all I know. Can't let it go. She won't take you back when you come around. Says she's sorry that you kicked me out. I got a paper chain around my neck and I'm broken down like a train wreck. Well, it's all I know. Can't let it go. She won't take me back when I come around. Says she's sorry that you kicked me out. I got a big chain around my neck and I'm broken down like a train wreck. Well, it's all I know. Can't let it go. Well, it's over. I know. Can't let it go. It's over. I know. Can't let it go. Yeah.
Two of the same cars, but they're different.
Different type. I like this car bike, you know. Huh? Yeah. Wait, I'm coming back home.
Job's a joke, you broke. Love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. Hasn't been your day with your
Yo, which one I want to take a picture beside? Take you like that. I like that one. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Beautiful that is.
Wow, that's shiny. Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice. Man, look at that. Look at that. Fargo.
1956.
Man.
Your year, Paul?
Yeah.
1963. Mercury Comet.
Wow, I want to see the inside of this.
You don't want to see inside.
No, I don't want that.
Look inside.
Pontiac.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Well, they were standing like my door. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's really nice in the chapel.
That's a brand new one. It's a new type. Yeah.
They do the barbecue at the back.
They have
And,
they have a 50-50 draw too. You could buy a ticket. You don't know you could win something.
I'm getting the watermelon.
Yeah. I like the way this paint. This paint's really good.
I like the green, yeah.
Yeah. Green is nice.
Oh, there's some up there.
Yeah. I'm gonna take all of them. This is clean and nice. This is Chevy. This is really old.
Yeah.
I think I don't even believe this drive. Yeah, this drive too.
Yeah, it does.
But they just have it as it doesn't drive on the road though.
No.
Oh, this is nice. I like that.
Yeah, me too.
Wow.
It was old license. I think they brought it on this
Yeah.
truck. Yeah.
I'll go up the line now.
Yeah.
I think I didn't take that little one.
Which other one?
The one that-
Yeah, yeah. Go over there and
This is a baby. Wow. This is awesome, dude.
I was old when I got it. Hey, Randy.
Yeah,
How you doing?
I like your car, man.
School's even got the Spirit style tires on it. The Maya style tires.
You don't want to try and buy them today.
No, it's tedious. Yeah.
You don't even try and buy the car today.
No, that's how it'd be worth.
It's a Hemi. You want the name of the car. You want to put the name of the car on it.
You got that guy working in here.
They upgrade this car. This is another baby. Wow. Do you want me or you want to have something like this?
No.
You're crazy, man. When people see nothing, they look on you like an Impala thing, you know? Old time Impala. I love this type of red. This is nice old time Ford.
That's why I had to get a picture. It's like, oh my God.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I've seen in 10 years.
I'm gonna do an overhead shot of the whole place. Huh? No, I see it already. Yeah, and that's Diane right there. This is where I finished my blog right.
Another one that found it. What's wrong with them?
And this is a blog I finished right on my truck, my 4x4.